Welcome. Let's examine the early pregnancy timeline from day 7 to 9. On day 7, the embryo ants the amniotic cavity form, and on day 9, the primitive streak appears. Here we see the fertilized egg as it travels down the fallopian tube. It reaches the uterus and begins to attach to the wall, starting implantation. This connection is vital for the pregnancy to progress. Good morning. Today we'll discuss early pregnancy signs. These include fatigue, nausea, and a missed period. If you notice these, see a healthcare provider. Any questions? Estrogen and progesterone are key hormones in the female reproductive system. Estrogen, shown here, regulates the menstrual cycle, and progesterone prepares the uterus for pregnancy and maintains it. Here we see the female reproductive system. The uterus is located in the lower abdomen. This is where a fertilized egg implants and develops into a fetus. Its muscular walls contract during labor. Any questions?
When the body feels weak, it's often a hormone issue. This graph shows cortisol and adrenaline levels over time. High cortisol from stress disrupts energy, while low adrenaline reduces alertness, leading to fatigue.
Today, we'll look at how our moods can change. Let's start with happiness. But happiness isn't forever. Sometimes we feel sad. And then we get confused. These changes are a normal part of life. A common early symptom of pregnancy is feeling unusually tired. This fatigue is caused by rising hormone levels and increased metabolism. Rest is important to manage this. As we see here, progesterone levels remain low in the first half of the cycle. After ovulation, the corpus luteum produces progesterone, causing it to rise. This rise prepares the uterus for a possible pregnancy. From days 7 to 9, we see significant changes. The body begins to elongate and form distinct segments. This is a crucial stage of development. This sets the stage for further growth.
Let's look at the early stages of embryo development. It begins as a single cell, the zygote. It then divides, first into 2 cells, a key early stage.
Mild stomach pain can be caused by the uterus. Let's look at an animation. This shows the uterine layers. Pain can come from the endometrium or myomyonitis. See a doctor if it persists.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll learn about the greater than and less than signs. The greater than sign points to the larger number, like this. Remember this simple rule, and you'll always get it right. For a healthy lifestyle, focus on these 4 key areas. Food provides energy, sleep allows recovery, water keeps you hydrated, and exercise builds best health. For the most accurate results, take a pregnancy test on the day of your missed period. Digital tests are very reliable. This hologram, but you still think you're pregnant, test again in a few days.
Okay, class, let's look at the calendar. Notice days 7, 8, and 9. That's our focus. Day 7 starts, then 8 builds on it, and 9 completes to remember.
It's normal for our emotions to change. We might feel happy one moment and sad the next. This is a natural part of being human, and it's important to respond to our feelings with kindness and taste.
The early signs include persistent fatigue, unusual pain, and digestive changes. Remember, your body often signals issues early. So please, listen to your body. It could save your life. As progesterone rises, shown by the red line, it signals the hypothalamus to raise body temperature. This is why basal temperature increases after ovulation, confirming the luteal phase.
Let's look at how we measure body temperature. This thermometer icon shows the normal range. As the mercury rises, it indicates a fever. So this is a key vital sign.
This hologram shows the emotional brain. Watch as the mood control area glows. This area is key for feelings like Corey and Sarah travel along these pathways directly affect our mood and behavior. Light cramps are a common early sign of pregnancy. They occur as the embryo implants into the uterine lining. This graphic shows the implantation area in the uterus. These cramps are typically mild and temporary. Here are 3 common early pregnancy symptoms. Fatigue is a major one. You might also experience some pain. And mood changes are very common due to hormonal shifts. Any questions?
Take a look at this. Why is rest so important? Rest rejuvenates the body, allowing cells to repair and energy to restore, and it improves focus and memory, making learning more effective.
Progesterone is a key hormone in the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. This model shows its structure with carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms. It rotates slowly so you can see the bonds between them. There are 2 main types of pregnancy tests, blood tests and urine tests. Blood tests detect HCG in the blood and can be done earlier than urine tests. Urine tests are more common for home use and are also very reliable. Here on the calendar, the circled date marks a missed period. This is a key encoded in red. This helps track patterns. Any questions on why this is important?
So it's a sign.
Exactly. If you have a high fever or severe pain, it's important to see a doctor. Persistent symptoms like a cough or rash also mean you should get checked. A doctor can provide the right treatment and advice.
Let's learn about healthy eating with these icons. 1. Eat fruits daily for vitamins and energy. And tip 2. Drink veggies for strong fiber.
As pregnancy advances, the uterus expands to accommodate the growing fetus. The breasts enlarge in preparation for lactation, and the spine curves to maintain balance.
Good morning, class. Today we're discussing hydration. This hologram shows why water is vital. It helps carry nutrients and regulate temperature. So remember to drink water throughout the day.
Controlling stress begins with your breath. Notice the animation the lungs expand and exhale as they contract. This simple rhythm helps you find calm and manage daily stress.
Let's look at this walking exercise. See the animation? It shows a light, brisk walk. A daily walk improves your heart health. Remember, just 30 minutes a day makes a difference.
Good morning, class. Today we're discussing hydration. This hologram shows why water is vital. It helps carry nutrients and regulate temperature. So remember to drink water throughout the day.
Sleep is essential for your health. It allows your body to repair and your mind to consolidate memories. Without enough sleep, you may feel irritable, unfocused, and more prone to illness.
This hologram shows a doctor's checkup room. Let's review confirming pregnancy. First, a positive urine test for HCG levels. Finally, an ultrasound confirms the gestational sac. Early signs are normal. It's important to understand this to avoid unnecessary worry. These signs are a natural part of the process, so there's no need for concern.
Let's recap days 7 to 9. On day 7, we saw NISH changes accelerated, building on the previous day. And on day 9, the process reached its peak, showing significant results. As we see on the timeline, during days 7 to 9, the body prepares for pregnancy. Estrogen rises, thickening the uterine lining. This is a key stage for potential fertilization. Here in the uterus, the embryo is a small glowing dot. It's beginning to implant into the uterine wall, as you can see here. This connection allows it to receive nutrients and continue developing.
As we continue our activities, our energy resources are gradually depleted. This depletion is due to the body's metabolic processes, and ongoing energy contributes to the increasing sensation of fatigue that we experience.
Here we see the balance of estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen risolation, progesterone increases to prepare the body while estrogen declines. This interplay is crucial for a healthy cycle. Mood swings are sudden changes in how we feel, like shifting from happy to sad. They can be triggered by stress or little things and are a normal part of life. We can learn to manage them. This diagram shows the stomach area. Mild pain here is often normal. It's a sign your body is working, not a cause for alarm. Persistent or severe pain, however, should be checked by a doctor. This hologram shows a digital pregnancy test. For the most accurate result, you should wait to check it until the time indicated in the instructions. Check for hormone levels might not be high enough. Class, please note that the test is on the 12th. It's marked right here on the calendar. Marking it helps with correct timing for your study schedule. This ensures you're fully prepared and not cramming last minute.
Let's use this hologram to discuss when you should see a doctor. Persistent symptoms like this fever or rash are key indicators. If they last over a week, it's time to schedule that visit.
Let's review healthy foods. Fruits give us vitamins, milk has calcium for strong bones, and eggs provide protein for growth. Remember to include these in your meals every day. Drinking water is essential for our health. It keeps our bodies hydrated and helps us stay energized throughout the day. So remember to drink plenty of water. Your body will thank you for it. Today, we'll see how walking improves health. Notice the slow, steady steps. This rhythm is key. Walking daily boosts your mood and energy. It's simple. Any questions? The sleep cycle is a pattern our bodies follow. This hologram shows the moon and bed icons representing rest. The cycle has stages, like light sleep for health and memory.
This technique helps control stress by using your diaphragm. Inhale slowly, letting the lungs and diaphragm expand. Then exhale fully, allowing them to contract. Practice this to manage stress and anxiety.
In early pregnancy, the uterus expands and its lining thickens. The fallopian tubes facilitate the egg's movement toward the uterus. Hormones cause the ovaries becomes a supportive environment for the embryo. Every woman feels different symptoms. Some have hot flashes, others have mood swings. It's important to understand your own experience.
Listen to your body. It sends you signals for a reason. Ignoring them can lead to problems. Always prioritize what your body tells you.
Class, remember these 3 pillars for a healthy lifestyle: balanced nutrition, daily exercise, and good sleep. Small steps each day will make a big difference in how you choices. Thank you. Let's look at the key pregnancy signs from days 7 to 9. On day 7, implantation occurs, often with light sparting. Day 8 brings a hormonal shift, leading to mood nausea can start. In our next lesson, we'll explore the pregnancy changes from day 10 to 14. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to seeing you then.